If your restaurant clears $1 million in sales but leaves you with nothing, the problem isn't the menu. You're being robbed. We are seeing a bizarre paradox in the modern kitchen. Top-line revenue is hitting record highs across the board, yet nearly half of all independent operators are currently unprofitable and drowning in volume. The drag on profitability comes from complexity debt, the hidden compounding cost of layering isolated delivery apps and tech tools onto a business without a central nervous system to manage them. This debt creates an invisible revenue leak. Between digital rent seekers taking massive cuts of every order and the administrative friction of managing fragmented data, the average independent kitchen is losing nearly $150,000 a year. The Restaurant Playbook is a technical manual designed to run a forensic audit on these operations, pinpointing exactly where the capital is escaping. In the 2026 economy, survival depends on an operator's ability to fix mathematical bleed. No amount of culinary skill or staffing can outcook a structurally broken financial model. The forensic audit begins with the first major leak, the delivery trap. Third-party delivery apps routinely pitch a 30% commission rate to restaurant owners, but the actual math tells a different story. Adding 3.5% for processing, 5% for inflation, and 4% for refunds to the 30% base equals 42.5%. For every $1,000 in app sales, $425 is sliced off by tech companies. Because the margin is so severely compressed, increasing your order volume under this specific tax structure creates a negative scaling paradox. The more you sell, the faster you move towards insolvency. Beyond delivery, the audit shifts to front-of-house operations to uncover a second major vulnerability: ghost revenue. During peak dining hours, human hosts are often too busy managing the door to catch every incoming call. Data shows that 34% of all phone calls to independent restaurants currently go unanswered. When you multiply 10 missed calls a day by a $25 average check size, the annual loss locks in at over $91,000. To solve this, the Playbook uses a ghost host, a voice AI agent that answers every call on the first ring and can handle 10 concurrent lines without ever placing a customer on hold. Moving to the back of house, we find a third leak driven by the friction of fragmented technology. Most kitchens are now home to the tablet farm, a physical cluster of separate iPads required to manage different delivery apps that don't talk. This forces the manager to act as a digital janitor. You are essentially paying a $60,000 salary just to have someone manually retype orders from those tablets into your main POS. A POS, or point of sale, is the central system used to process all restaurant transactions and track inventory. These isolated tech silos create expensive friction. They drain labor dollars and destroy whatever profit margin remains after the delivery apps take their cut. Fixing these leaks requires a strategic jailbreak. You cannot simply unplug the delivery apps overnight. You have to use their volume to your advantage. The 14-day migration protocol is a step-by-step system designed to systematically move high-value customers off the third-party platforms and onto your own direct channels. In the first 4 days, every third-party delivery order receives a physical QR code insert. This tag offers the customer $5 off their next meal if they order directly through your system. This diagram shows phase 2, price asymmetry. You raise your menu prices on the app side by 20% to cover the commission, while holding your direct website price at the base rate. The $6 price difference sells the migration for you. In the final phase, the Ghost Host AI intercepts inbound callers and automatically offers to text them a VIP direct ordering link, converting a phone inquiry into a digital customer record you actually own. These maneuvers allow an independent kitchen to build a direct data vault and reclaim the margin that delivery apps currently strip away. It is the transition from being a tenant on a platform to owning your own operations. Stop paying the aggregator tax. Download the Restaurant Playbook, run your Day Zero audit, and reclaim your sovereignty.